Tuesday continuation pattern they don't want you to see. Every Tuesday, the market repeats a continuation move that most traders never see. Institutions use it to clean retail's account. But today, I am going to expose you to exactly how this works and how you can catch the move before it happens. Miss this and you will miss the next big Tuesday move. So watch very closely as I teach you. Don't skip any part of this video because at the end of it, I'm going to show you a trick that will change your trading entirely for the week. Welcome back, traders. I am Mr. Joshua that teach traders how to trade the smart way. I am about to break down a pattern that has shown up consistently every Tuesday across forex pairs, indices, and synthetic market. Not only does it repeat, not only does it follow smart money behavior, but it gives you one of the cleanest continuation entry of the entire week. This is the Tuesday continuation pattern, the one traders keep losing to because they can't see what institutions are doing. And you are so grateful that you are coming across this particular video that I'm making this particular day. Don't skip this video. Let's move and dive into what this really means. Now, I want us to understand something that at the end of the trading week, which is our Friday evening, now what happened in the market is that there is always a consolidation in the market. Now, this is already I'm doing this on a close of business section already. So this is actually consolidation. If you look at it now, look at my screen very clear, you will see consolidation. You will see consolidation, and then you are going to believe what I'm teaching you. That I'm not just teaching you, I'm actually transferring long time knowledge that I have been using. Now look at it. Look at consolidation. This particular place is consolidation. Now, most at times on Fridays is mostly consolidation. Market trying to return back to the previous low or previous high of the week. That is what usually happens on Friday. But you see, on Monday, when market opens, it opens with many manipulation. Now, watch my video on that. I have a video I have done already on Monday as regards Monday manipulation. Is titled Monday manipulation. Now, on the description section of this particular video, I am going to drop it. I'm going to drop the video on the description box. Now, the video is titled Monday manipulation, and in the Monday manipulation, you will discover that what the market makers are doing is for them to actually induce retail traders so that they can actually clear off their account. And then on the Tuesday morning and Tuesday afternoon, they now set the tone for the movement of the week. Now, most of the times, I usually advise traders not to trade on a Monday. Why? Because Monday is full of manipulation. In fact, Monday does not show you the clear trend of the week. Monday does not show you the clear trend of the week. So I always advise my students or traders not to trade on a Monday. Now, Monday is usually very busy. Monday, unusual setup begin to comes up. Market build liquidity on Monday. They create traps. Market makers and institutions create traps on Monday, and then they establish the weekly bias. What is the weekly bias? The weekly bias is actually the direction to which trend should follow. So they begin to establish it, even though it will not be as clear as possible. But on a Tuesday, you see it as clear as possible. You'll see it very clear on a Tuesday. So on Monday, that is what institutions and market makers usually do. Now they begin to show you on Monday. They begin to show you fake directions. They begin to show you fake directions. So the market present fake direction day for the institution or for the market maker. This is when smart money continue the true weekly move. If Monday create confusion, Tuesday bring clarity. Now, this is what I mean. Monday Monday will create the high and the low of the week. It will establish the high or the low of the week. And then liquidity is being engineered on Monday. But you see, on Tuesday, there is always swift. Continuation move follows immediately in the in the in the market because of the move. So how do you now the exact Tuesday continuation pattern? How will you then get to see the exact continuation pattern of the Tuesday? So now um the exact the exact Tuesday continuation pattern. Now, when we have now observed and marked the Monday high and low and any obvious liquidity pool, what we need to do to is to now watch it as we wait for the market. So to give us a clear direction. Now, you wait for Tuesday sweep to happen. You want a fast week or aggressive push beyond Monday levels. This is manipulation word move. And then the third one is you must see a reversal candle or a break of structure. I'm going to show you all these things so that you'll be able to understand it. So, so now you have to wait patiently for for this Tuesday sweep, and then you observe. You first of all observe a fast week or aggressive push beyond the Monday levels, and this is manipulative move, like I've explained. Now, then the next thing is the reversal candle, the break of structure. You will then see it happening. Once the sweep have happened, wait for break of structure. Wait for a break of what of structure back into the structure. A break of structure back into the structure. Or you look for a fair value gap and then you analyze it before you enter, or rather a quick rejection block. Now this forms your continuation entry for the trade. Now the real money moves begins after you have seen that. It begins now after the sweep plus the structure, the shift of structure. Tuesday give a smooth continuation pattern. You begin to see or witness high momentum, high clean trend. You begin to see high risks to reward, and then there's always low noise in the market. And this is the reason why I said Tuesday is one of the most predictable days for continuation trend in the forex market. Now, I will be showing you live chart and also be doing practicals with you. But before then, I would just want to tell us something significant. Now, why traders lose on Tuesday morning? Most traders think that the sweep is actually the move, so they don't enter early and get stop out. Most people, most traders think that the sweep is actually the major move, which it is not the major move. Now, smart money wait for liquidity to be taken first, then they strike. You are not losing because you are wrong. You are losing because you are too early. You are too early. That is why I want to show you practically how you can move about that, so that you will not be too early in your movement. Now, how to trade it safely now using risk management. Only trade after the Tuesday sweep have taken place. Only enter a confirmation when you see a break of structure, a fair value gap. Place stop loss below fair value gap or sweep level, and then sure make sure you confirm um, with other indicators. Now, such as chart pattern. Now, this is what we're going to do now. Look at here now. This is one, two, three, four, five. Now, let me take this five. One, two, three, four, five. Now, this is the place now. This is the place. Now, let me draw. This is Monday. Let me draw Monday. This is Monday, guys. Look at it. This is Monday. Let me cancel the one here. Let me cancel the one here. This is Monday. Uh, does not want to cancel. Let me see if this is it. No. Okay, I canceled the wrong one. Okay. Okay, let me count it. One, two, three, four, five. Now Monday. This is Monday. Look at it, guys. Look at what happened. This on Monday. This is a Monday. Now market open. Look at what happened. Market open. Let me reduce this. Just follow me, please. Now market open at this particular place on Sunday. And then look at what happened. It went down and began to go up. Now, this trick is just to deceive traders. Follow me gradually. This trick is just to deceive traders. So now it began to go up, and all of a sudden, look at what happened. There was a quick move downward. There was a quick move downward, and then we enter. The move entered the next day, which is a Tuesday. Look at how the Tuesday. What happened on the Tuesday? Now it came down and gave us a chart pattern, and then continue. Now it break the previous low of yesterday, which is Monday. Break it down. And what did it do? It was gave a chart pattern. After giving a chart pattern, it begin to go up. Now when it begin to go up, now you'll be tempted to enter immediately, especially at this particular place here. But always wait for confirmation. There must be a pullback. Now look at what happened. It um went up, came back, and then began to move. Now you will discover that this particular movement has what we call momentum. Look at what happened at this particular place in the afternoon New York section. At this particular place, there was a strong momentum going up, strong momentum till the next day, and then look at what happened. There was a pullback. Now let's go to another chart again. Now this is Monday, right? Now one, two, three, four, five, five. Look at what happened here. Look at what happened. That's why I said Monday is full of manipulation. Look at this is on Monday. This is Monday. Look at what happened here. So look at manipulation. The market maker already know that they are going to go bullish, but look at what they did. Now from the morning section, Asia section, they went up, gave a high, and then all of a sudden there is a spike downward. There is a move downward, a very strong move. And look at what happened. They began to go up. Then look at Tuesday now. When it went up, it deceived traders. Went up. Look at what happened. We saw price now giving a chart pattern here, and then beginning to go up, beginning to go up. That's on a Tuesday. Started going up gradually on a Tuesday. Then look at what happened. When it makes significant move, it came down again to test this particular level here. The pullback. There was a pullback. Then you see it began to what? Continue the trend. Came back again to test here, and then what? Continue the trend. Now that is how to understand how to trade Tuesday market in forex. Either it is synthetic indices or it is currency pair. Now, this is the secret. This is the secret most traders use. Even me in particular, this is the secret. If I don't get good setup on Monday, I don't disturb myself because I already know that Monday are always manipulative. So I wait for Tuesday because Tuesday is actually the big deal. Tuesday is actually the big deal in the market. Now, if you have not understand this video very well, all you have to do is for you to watch it twice or three times. Then you understand what it means. Because on Tuesday, you see clear setup for you to trade. Clear setup for you to trade. But Mondays are always manipulative. You might not see clear setup. Now, if this video help you so well, if you find this video interesting and impactful, comment Tuesday Edge if this video has helped you. And don't forget to smash the like button, click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video such as this. And also share this video with your family, with your friends, with even your enemies. Let them know that there is a place they can learn forex for free. See you in my next video until I come your way. This season I will be teaching back to back, and I want us to be learning. I want us to be learning because I want next year to be a better year for everybody in forex under my watch. See you. Have a great day. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.